Hello. Okay, I'm here at JJ's house or place, and sadly, JJ's little brother was passed away.
Ay, di ngayon bila nalaan. Sabi baka ako, baka hindi na kami makababa. Baka dito sa linggo na. Ay, nagbigay ng 500. Di kinain namin ni Jerome. Gutom na gutom na.
This is the day where bring the kids.
Bahay mo wala
Wala. The kids in the cemetery. Okay. We go inside. Okay. With Judith. This is Judith. Okay. And we gave little donations for the baby. Judith, bigay ni Kuya Jan. She said thank you. Okay, yeah. We'll not take a video of the kids. Okay, this is it. Kamali ang bukas. Pero yun naman, nuno din namin. Ang kanila.
Papa, ninig ka. Ninig ka.
Ay,